Hello mga bay, good day to everybody. Welcome back to our channel. We have our boat engine here. This one is coming from my friend's co-worker. He gave it to me because this kind of engines have some trouble. He says that it's a hard start. That's why he broke the pole starter. And this is maybe a vintage boat engine, a Johnson. I have no idea how much the power of this, but it says here 5. So maybe it's 5 horsepower. So let's see if we try to fix it, but I'm not a mechanic, but I try to do something about it. Alright, let's go. Now we have a flywheel tools here to remove the flywheel here. Oh, okay. You heard that? It's pop up, so it's done. All right. There is some crack from the ignition coil. So I think this is maybe the problem why that it's hard to start. See that? So we're going to remove this. We have to change this one. And also we have to adjust the contact point here. 2 contact point. Because this engine is of 2 spark plug. I think there is 2 like piston here. So we're going to order this into the Amazon. Try to look into the Amazon and try to order. There is some available for this ignition coil. This is a condenser, so I think this is good. Alright, let's go. 2 weeks of waiting from the Amazon. Here is the like replacement that we have. So we try to open this, okay? Ignition magneto. Here we go. All right. mga bay. Alright. We're done already to replace the coil, ignition coil. The next step that we're going to do is the adjustment of this contact point. Alright. So here we go. Okay. So this one is the 20. See that? I know. Right. So here we have the contact point. I don't know if you see that. Oh, very close. Alright, but before that, we have to clean the contact with the 1000 sandpaper. Just to clean here. And you see the guide here, mga bayo. There is a guide here and also into the center post. Hey, here. Okay. Make sure that the guide onto the center post here. This is a kunya. So let's go. Alright, mga bay. We're going to put the gas. And make sure, mga bay, that there is water if you try to run your outboard motors. Right?